day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. With the booyah, that's a flex.
All right, guys, so we're going to get into showing you guys how to clean a vehicle. So this vehicle actually came in last night from a client who actually was 3 days late returning the vehicle. So I'm going to upload a vehicle showing you it got towed to my residence, needs to be cleaned, and he's going to be getting charged for cleaning, smoking, and also late return. So this is going to be extras on top of what he already paid for the rental of the vehicle. So I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like as far as being dirty, and after I clean it too. So we'll walk through the whole process. So stay tuned. So a beautiful day out here in the Atlanta area. So here it goes, 2016 blue hardtop Camaro. It's the RS, so it has the 4-cylinder turbo engine in it actually. Beautiful day. Let's get some shots of the outside. That was already a prior dent right there, so that was already there. See if we find any major body damage. There was already some damage right there already, and then the hood also has some damage prior. So the outside so far, prior damage on the front lip there, bumper lip. So far, tires look okay. Let's check out the trunk. Trunk looks fine, needs to be cleaned, vacuumed out. He left some socks. All right, let's look at the inside. So this is the money shot right here. What do we have? Seats don't look too bad. Definitely some dirt needs to be cleaned out. There goes a money shot right there. So this is what you can charge upcharge for, things like that. So you see the weed, the dirt. So the car wasn't gotten like this, or I should say handed out like this, but it came back dirty. So you can charge for a cleaning fee, which is 50 bucks. The smoking you can charge up to 150. Here we go, more weed. So that's the evidence. So for your Turo, when you upload pictures, you want to upload that documentation for your trips that shows that the customer smoked in the vehicle and they have weed odor, and also they have leftover weed in the vehicle too. So it's going to be an easy $200, $300 upgrade. Overall, though, not bad. Should take probably about a half hour to clean it out. Let's head to the car wash. All right, now we're going through the car wash, at the car wash. Sometimes I forget how nice a Camaro is, especially on the inside. Really a nice little sports coupe to rent out on the weekend or on a nice spring, summer day. This is a hard top, so it doesn't have the convertible. But I do have 3 convertibles in the inventory. This is just a regular hard top. So fun little zippy car to get around town in. So let's go ahead and knock this wash out. Then I'll be back when we get to the vacuum and start cleaning the inside of the car out. So here, guys, I'm going to speed the video up for you guys so you guys can not worry or see me clean the car. It's going to be pretty fast, but I know it's going to be pretty boring as far as me cleaning it. I'm going to speed up this video. I just want to show you guys how I'm cleaning the car up, but it's going to be in fast motion, and then we'll get into the next slide. difference. Final product. Now it's not gonna be perfect, of course, but it's gonna be 90-95% compared to what it was. Smells a lot better. And I got one more trick for you guys when I get home. I'm gonna show you how to get the weed smoke out the vehicle. Driver's side. Smells better, but again, it still smells a little bit like weed. So let's knock that weed smell out. So I'll see you guys at home. Looks way better. Love that blue color too. Last little finishing touch when you have people that smoke in your vehicle, whether that be cigarette smoke or weed or any other type of smoke, is you want to buy a Ozone Machine. You can find these off of Amazon, or also eBay sells them too. I'll put the link or the location where you can find these. The Ozone Machine, basically what you want to do is run it for about 60 minutes to 80 minutes, depending on how bad the smoke is, or even 120 minutes, which is 2 hours, depending on how bad it is. I'm gonna run